First, hi, my name is Wendy Munoz. I am a first-gen student. Being a first-gen student is not easy, as I have little to none guidance about how to go about college things, such as like joining groups and stuff. But people at the campus have been really nice, and I have found, ways around difficult things, situations. I'm also a survivor to a domestic abusive relationship, which I'm super glad that I can talk about it now, and that has been really hard. Next, I will be talking about my family. So my family includes my parents, my mom and my dad, the one in white and the one right here, and then my sister, and then my two brothers, which is the one right here and the one in red. Which also, I have a plus family, including my two sister-in-laws, which, fun fact, my sister-in-law is pregnant, so we're really excited about that, having our first, niece, coming this March, hopefully. Fingers crossed. My family also includes my half siblings. I have my brother, his name is George, and my sister. And apart from that, I have a boyfriend. And including in my family is my doggy. His name is Pee-wee. And he loves to be cuddled in my heated blanket, as you can see. He loves to sleep in these, adorable little, positions. We love to dress him up and make him look, for the holidays. So this is what we dressed him up for. We tried it on, but it was for Valentine's Day coming up. So he's gonna be in his cute little heart sweater. He also has a little jacket for the coat. He's a little chihuahua. I'm pretty sure he's mixed. But we found him with a group of big dogs, and we called him over, and he came crawling, and now he's our dog. But yeah, I take a lot of pictures of him, as you can see. He's the cutest thing ever. I don't think I've ever loved a dog more than him. My favorite people I have are my boyfriend and my best friend. This is me and him at the state fair. That was actually my first time going to the state fair, and I had a really great time. This is us at the Sundance Square, which is in Fort Worth, Texas. And then this is me and my best friend for New Year's. We thought it was a fun idea to go to this tree, but we were kind of wrong, because gosh, it was really cold, and we kind of just took our picture and left. I don't know what crazy mind we just had that idea of spending that time together. A little bit of my hobbies include sunset pictures. I love sunset pictures. I'm pretty sure I've exceeded my storage because of my sunset pictures, but look how beautiful they are. This one is outside of my house. And then some of these are just me riding around. I literally have it timed to what time the sunset is. And I have the perfect view from my dorm because I have a big old window, which I love. A little fun fact, I have always wanted to be a teacher. If I did not follow into the education career, I have no idea what I would be doing. I have never had the thought or desire to be anything else, which is why I'm in this class. My little brother